Hello everyone, this is Engineer Hussam, and today I'm going to show you how you should submit your work. As an example, you have a drawing. Let's say, where is Omar? Omar project. Okay, so here is Omar project. Okay, first of all, when you have something like this, okay, it's preferred that if you have sketches that you don't need them, okay, you can delete them, or you have to delete them because this is unneeded. If you have work plane like this, you can right click and remove the visibility on the work plane, so your part will become like this. This is essential, and some of the students, they lost grade because they don't watch these things. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to file, new, and then if your drawing is in millimeter, you have to click on metric and then click here down in ANSI millimeter. Okay, in ANSI millimeter. So once you click on ANSI millimeter, okay, once you click on ANSI, but still it's lagging. You click on ANSI. If you're drawing in an inch, as an example inch, you have to click down in inch. Okay, but now because our drawing in millimeter, you have to click in millimeter and click create. Okay, so first of all, we'll click on paste. Paste, we have to bring the front side of my drawing. Okay, this scale is small. I can increase the scale from here, as an example 2, or I can make 3 based on the size I need. Later I can edit the scale. Let's say I want 2.5. I create this view, and then from projected I click on this one, in this projected, and then I click on this view and I project top, and then I project here, and then I project here. In this case, now I have top view, front view, and right side view. These views are very important, will help me to see properly my file. As an example, in this case, I don't want the hidden line from this view because I mainly want this view for this cut. Okay, so I will do right click, edit view, and then I will change the link, then I will change it to this one, the second one, hidden line removal. So now I can see the part without hidden line. For this one, also I can do the same if you don't need hidden line. Some of the drawing you can keep the hidden line, okay, and some of the drawing you don't need to keep them. Okay, once you are here, as an example this drawing, now you start to go to annotate and start to add dimension. So from here to here, from here to here, dimension. You need to apply dimension for, if this case, this is the radius, you can apply dimension for. If you want it for diameter, you can go to dimension type and choose diameter, and then you change it to diameter. I would suggest that you follow the paper that you get. If this is mentioned in radius, keep it radius. If this is mentioned dimension, go to dimension type and change it to diameter. Now you will see 5. So dimension type radius. Okay, based on the drawing. Of course, you can do one thing from here. This is a center mark. You can go and click on the circle, click on the circle, click on the circle, click on the circle, click on the circle. You will get center mark. And then go to dimension again. And you have to make the dimension, as an example, from center to center. From center to center. For the hole, you have to click on this one and change the hole. See, phi 12, diameter 12, 10. If this drawing from here built using hole, let's see, this one, it's extrude, it's not hole. See, this one is extrude, is not hole. If this one used hole, so then you will able to double click, and let's try this one, number. It's recognized also. That's good. So number, you know what I did? I double click, I came here, and I added at the beginning here, it was like this, see? Double click, you click the cursor, put it at the top, and click on hashtag. Hashtag, that means quantity. Click hashtag and double. See, it will tell you 4 multiplied by 12. That means you have 4 holes. Each one of them has diameter of 12. This symbol is represent the depth. Depth 10. This is not supposed to be 10 because it's all the way through. So this part here, because if you can see here in the extrude is 10. That's why it's recognized as 10. If you choose, as an example, if you did not select this one, the holes, like this, you did not select the holes, later you will do the holes by yourself, okay? Then you can choose the holes to be all the way through. If you say like this, accept, then you put hole here, then click on this one, through all, and click on 10. Okay, this through all. Okay, I will keep this one, I will not change it now. So depth 10. Now apply all the necessary dimensions as per your drawing. If your drawing mentioned that the angle is important, so you have to show the angle. If the distance from here to here is more important, and from here to here is more important, so highlight the distance. In case the dimensions are not clear, you have to go to Manage, Style Editor, and click on Text, and choose the below one note, and come here, as an example, make it 8. This is based on your drawing. Maybe you can change it later. Change the color to blue. See, now it's more clear. Don't duplicate dimension, and don't make dimension on the isometric view. Don't put dimension here. This is wrong. Don't repeat dimension. You put 70 by 60. Don't come here and put again 70, or here again 60. You don't have to do this. Only put the dimension that we didn't apply. As an example, here we need this dimension. Here we need the cut, the radius. We need the thickness. Either you put the thickness on this view, or you put the thickness on this view. As an example, like this. This is the thickness. All the missing dimensions. Here you need hole. It's 525 all the way through. We have center, we have hole. These ribs, you need to show the ribs. As an example, the width of the rib, like this. And you need to show the height or the angle. Similar to what you get in your drawing. If the drawing highlight the angle or the distance, you have to copy the same. You have distances, you have everything. Now your drawing will be ready for delivery. You can file, save as, and deliver .idw. This is one file, and then file, export image .idw, because you have image now. Okay, and also for the original file, this one, click on the isometric view, file, save as i.ipt, and then file, export image. So now your drawing will be ready. In case your part has some internal details you want to highlight, you can use section view from here. You can use section view. This is applicable for other drawings that they have internal details. But for section view, it's not complicated. As an example, this is section. You can come here to the hole, click on this red, click on this view, and then come here, click from here to here. Right click, continue. It will show you down. See, if you put it here, it will show you that this part has section view. You can move it up a little bit, like this. See this section view. You can show the internal details. Or even when you make section view like this one, you can make section view here. You don't need to put it on the top here, you can put it down here. There is another also good technique called detail. If you have part of the drawing that you need to make it highlight to show it to other people, you can use details like this. Detail, come here in this view and then draw as an example circle. Then it will give you enlarged detail of this area, which is this circle. But for this drawing you don't need to do this. You don't need. Okay, so that's it for the video. You have applied the necessary dimensions, the details. Don't forget to add radius. That's it. Good luck in your exam.